So it can vary a little bit on the veterinarian. There's extremely rare cases I won't test, but I will typically test.
Welcome to Dog Cancer Answers, where we help you help your dog with cancer.
Today on Dog Cancer Answers, we have a listener call from Billy in California.
My question is, are there any supplements that I can give my dog to help him fight the cancer? Thank you.
What are your go-to supplements for cancer?
So my go-to are usually kind of a list. Chinese herbs are top of my list, which formula greatly varies. So it depends on the dog, what's going on, the results of some testing, vitamin A, vitamin D, usually mushrooms as well. And then I will have other supplements on top of that.
Okay. So you go with the Chinese formulas because that's your training and you know and understand all of those many lists of ingredients. And those are really nice blends, right? You're getting a lot packed into those formulas.
Yes.
So
a lot of them do have curcumin in there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My understanding is that it has a lot of synergistic value, that it seems to help other things do better. So that makes sense.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, great. And then vitamin A and vitamin D, you tend to do only if testing reveals that it is necessary. Is that right? Did you say that?
So it can vary a little bit on the veterinarian. I test vitamin D before I will go ahead and prescribe it. There's extremely rare cases I won't test, but I will typically test. And then vitamin A, there's not good testing for that. So I use levels that are well below toxicity.
Okay.
Myco-Forte is probably the biggest one that I use. And then I use the turkey tail. I'll add in turkey tail a lot of times as well.
Okay, turkey tail and Myco-Forte.
Myco,
That's a as a
blend.
mushroom, yeah. Myco-Forte.
Yeah.
That is a blend, right? That's not just
Correct.
one mushroom. What do you like about this blend, Myco-Forte?
They're the company I trust, and it's a nice blend of herbs for cancer. So it's one I use quite a lot. And then I'll tweak it depending on what is going on. So there's definitely times I'll add in like the turkey tail with it. Sometimes I add in other mushrooms, just depending on what I'm using it specifically for.
So that's a good sort of all-around mushroom supplement to start with, and then you can tweak from there.
Correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This show is brought to you by dogcancer.com, where over 40 veterinarians, veterinary oncologists, cancer researchers, and science writers pull together to bring you better information today so you have no regrets tomorrow. We do the research, we talk to the folks in the trenches, and sift through the hype and the anecdotes. That's dogcancer.com. Start your own research at dogcancer.com today so you have no regrets tomorrow.
Thank you for listening to Dog Cancer Answers. If you'd like to connect, please visit our website at dogcancer.com or call our listener line at 808-868-3200. And here's a friendly reminder that you probably already know. This podcast is provided for informational and educational purposes only. It's not meant to take the place of the advice you receive from your dog's veterinarian. Only veterinarians who examine your dog can give you veterinary advice or diagnose your dog's medical condition. Your reliance on the information you hear on this podcast is solely at your own risk. If your dog has a specific health problem, contact your veterinarian. Also, please keep in mind that veterinary information can change rapidly. Therefore, some information may be out of date. Dog Cancer Answers is a presentation of Maui Media in association with Dog Podcast Network.